Hi, I'm Parth, and I thought I'd do this video to kind of address the questions that have come up with the degree level courses and the credit transfer program for the online IITM BSc degree in programming and data science. Uh, so there were a lot of questions that were basically popping up everywhere, including group chats, forums, etc. I thought I'd do a short video to kind of go through the entire process of the of choosing degree level courses and the credit transfer program. So this was the document that was provided to us, and it is a pretty messy document. It is a no effort document, to be honest. It just has text and that's it. Uh, it is a messy document. As I said, I had to read it like I don't know half a dozen times to understand 20-30% of it. So I thought I'd summarize the part that is section 9, the courses in year 3, and the following sections to kind of in a video so that it gets easier for everyone to understand. And also that a couple of very common questions have come up for the credit transfer program. So I thought that I would address them too. I've compiled a very small list of questions that are the basic questions that have come up, uh, and I thought that I'd go over them one by one. So, to begin with, the biggest question is what do credits mean? And even I was wondering what credits meant since I don't know a year back from today. Um, the idea of credits is basically that a credit is basically a number associated with whatever educational program you do. So it's the same in India, it's the same elsewhere. Uh, for every single course, degree, whatever you take up, you are awarded a credit if you successfully pass that. So here you can see that there is a small graphic where you can see the amount of credits, the number of credits that are given to you. So that certificate level has 6 to 8 credits, a diploma level has 50 to 60 credits, etc. For people who are enrolled in engineering degrees would know that their engineering program have has 200 to 20 credits. 240 credits is the max. Um, Now, since this is a BSc degree, an undergraduate degree program, this should have 120 to 150 credits by the rules of AICT. Uh, and we'll see if this follows or not. So, move on to the next question of how does a person get credits? So most courses in India are pretty flexible when it comes to the choices of most degrees in India are pretty flexible when it comes to the choices of the courses that you can take up. So there are three buckets. These three buckets are core credits, which is the core of whatever you're studying. So if you're studying metallurgical engineering, the core part of that subject or that degree would come under core credits. Then there are core electives, which are also called soft core. Uh, soft I think, yeah, they're called soft core credits, soft subjects. And if you they are also like similar to what you're studying, but they don't necessarily mean that they would be the same as that. The final section is open electives, which are outside of the curriculum of your study. So if you're studying engineering, you must have done courses like soft skill development and engineering ethics, or maybe even psychology and whatnot. So these are open electives, and these all should add up to the total number of credits prescribed for that particular degree. Now, coming to the next question, what is NPTEL and what is credit transfer? So there's a screenshot that I simply snipped and pasted here from the NPTEL website. You can look at it at the NPTEL website, the FAQ section. NPTEL is an acronym for National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning, and it was started by 7 IITs and IAC. Um, it is very similar to MIT OCW, which is the open courseware, the open curriculum platform of MIT from the US. So yeah, so NPTEL has been running for almost 17-ish years now, I guess, and like it is really vast when it comes to the amount of content that it has. So, and it is a great place to learn. It is totally free for everyone, be it student, be it an educator, or be it an organization. It is totally free for you. So you can go there and learn. Although if you want to take a certification from NPTEL, that would cost you real money. So the certification costs depend on the course that you're taking, but it is very minimal, to be honest. So yeah. this is all about NPTEL. There are many courses in NPTEL, and it is a great platform to get to study things from the best educators in the country. Um, the next question and the most important question that has come up a lot: is it necessary to do courses from NPTEL to complete the degree level? No. In caps, it is not necessary to do courses from NPTEL to complete the degree level, and we would look at it later. But be assured, you do not need to take up NPTEL courses to complete the degree level. There are enough courses in our curriculum itself that you can complete the degree level. Now, let's look at the credit distribution system for this particular degree, and we'll move to the. So this is a Kanban board that I prepared, and it encompasses the bucket of courses uh, and the uh, and the schema of picking courses up and to adding up the courses. So for the degree level of this course, we need to add up to 40 to 44 credits as mentioned here. You can choose between the minimum is 40 and the maximum you can get is 44, but I don't know why someone would opt for 44 credits when they can do just as fine with 40. It does not matter on your final degree or the certificate that you get. So you can pick a total of 40 to 44 credits. There are 8 credits that you are going to pick from department core, uh, 24 credits from department electives, and 4 to 8 credits from free electives. And if you add all of these, 8 plus 24 is 32, and plus 4 is 36. And then there is a mandatory course which is strategies for professional growth, which is for 4 credits as well. So it adds up to 40. So if you take 4 credits from free electives, you will add up to 40. If you take 8 credits, you'll add up to 44. But again, I have no clue why someone would do that. So let's see how we have to pick up courses, okay? And wait a minute, let me. Yes. So the bucket actually starts with pairs, and like these are the pairs that are. So there is a core pair 1, there is a core pair 2, and there is a core pair 3. So for the department core 8 credits, you have to pick the courses that you're going to pick in pairs. You have to pick 2 courses, and it should be one of the pairs from the 3 pairs that are available here. So let's say we pick up software engineering and software testing. And now that the addition of picked courses, we have added 3 courses to picked courses. One was mandatory and 2 from department core, and these add up to 12 credits till now. We have to complete 40 credits, so remember this. So we'll see how we can complete 40 credits. Uh, Now you can also choose department electives, which account for 24 credits. And for 24 credits, if you calculate, if each course is 4 credits, you have to pick up 6 credits from each, 6 courses, and you can simply drag and drop from the left hand side any 6 courses that feel attractive to you. You do not need to you take care of the pairs now, because the one pair we've essentially picked up, so you can pick up basically any particular subject. So I've already tagged these for department electives, but if you want, you can pick something that is not tagged. For example, speech technology. Go to this course and change the tag to department elective. So you know that you have picked up department electives. So we have added 5 courses for department electives, and let's add one more. We added one more department elective. So we have added 6 courses for department electives. And let's remove this department elective that shows up here. Uh, this is the bucket, so we're not touching the bucket. Uh, I had done this experiment beforehand, so uh, we had already labeled it, but you can always remove tags and add tags anyway. So now we have 10 picked now we have 9 picked courses, and there are 2 department course and 6 department electives. As you can see, these department electives add up to 24 credits as required by the course schema, and now it adds up to 24 plus 8 plus 4, which is 36. You need to pick up one more course for free electives, which would add up to the minimum 4 courses. You can pick 2, but why would someone do that? So let's say if I pick up something like topics in machine learning, and let's label this as a free elective. And now you're done with the 10 courses, the 10 total picked courses, and you picked all of them from the bucket that was available there. Um, 9 courses you've picked up from the bucket, and one course was already present, which is a mandatory course. So you can see that we have two department courses which add up to 8 credits, six department electives which add up to 24 credits, and one free elective which would give us the last 4 credits required for 40. Now, uh, when it comes to NPTEL and credit transfer, it you can out of the 24 credits in department electives, you can have 9 credits that you can transfer in from NPTEL courses. But I think that is not really required because we can do courses from the degree level from the curriculum itself, and we can complete the total requirement. Anyway, I'll do like I've tried a lot of NPTEL courses. I've completed like a bunch of them, and so I do a review of the NPTEL courses available as well. But yeah, so this is the way that you can pick up. You can drag and drop courses and see if what combinations you like to make the 10 courses, make the 10 picked courses. Um, and yeah, let's cross verify this with the document that was shared, and we can see that there are 8 credits required from department core. There are 24 credits required for department electives, and 4 to 8 credits from the free electives, which we have taken the minimum requirement, and we have uh, we have taken one course for it. And then there is a one mandatory course for which adds up to 40 or 44 depending on how many pre electives you pick up. These are the same courses and the same pairs as designated in the Kanban board. And these are the NPTEL courses that you can do if you want to for department or free electives. I do a separate video on if you want to, but be very assured you don't need to do NPTEL courses for this. Uh, Although there are some amazing courses, and if you want to enhance your knowledge, you should definitely check them out. I think a couple of these courses are my favorite courses of all time, and so I do a separate video on that. Now, um, I'll share this particular notebook, the Kanban board, with you. The software that I'm using is Notion, and you can get it for free with the university email address. You can get the professional level for free with the university email address, and it is a great tool for basically doing all that you want to. I have tons of notes over here. So yes, I'll share this with you, and you can pick your own combinations. You can make your own choices and see if your courses add up to 10. I'll do a separate video on the NPTEL part of courses and whether you would like to do that or not. But it's not really required, as I said. So yeah, if you have any questions, do drop them down, and if you have any suggestions, the same thing, drop them down. That's it for this. Thank you so much. Bye.